Hey Susie, this is Jackie. I wanted to make you a quick video on how to get to our Walla Walla Union Bulletin access. It's unfortunately not just a quick point and click. The good is that it's actually part of a larger database suite that we have that is currently provided by Washington State. So it's free to us for now. I know eventually they might start charging, but it's a super cool resource. For students especially maybe students in your program who are early learners. Well, they've been learning their whole life, but early to some sort of academic learning and might have some reading challenges. So, assuming you know how to get to the library homepage, of course, library. Once you're at the library homepage, the default is Books and Media. You'll click on the second tab called E-Resources, and you're going to scroll down, and you are going to go to NewsBank. Ignore Washington Times, that's not it. I think that's confusing for folks. Go to NewsBank. That's the database. And within this database, you can do a large keyword search, just Google type search, including dates. But you are looking for a specific publication, so we're going to do this a little bit differently. We're going to scroll down. And again, you can see that'd be cool for students. And we are going to go to Publications in Washington State. Click there. And again, you could type by keyword. If you wanted to find things like, I don't know, Hanford and find every article written in a Washington State newspaper, you'd find it here. But you want to find the Walla Walla Bulletin. So, move my screen here. So you'll want to do it this way. Click on Walla Walla, and you can see here are the two papers that come out of Walla Walla. One from Whitman, the school newspaper, and the Union Bulletin. And slowly it goes. Okay, same functionality. You could totally do a search by keyword topic. If you want, it would go all the way back to 2008. So I don't know if you want to look at flooding all the way back to 2008. There you go. You can also browse by date. So 2020 is where we're at. So that's the calendar that comes up. You could also switch and search by year if that's the way you like to search. So say you wanted to look at February 2nd. I don't think this covers necessarily every single article. You can always search, but you'll see a drop down of articles that are highlighted, including one that was significant about the college. I probably chose February 2nd without even thinking about that. You would go in there and up the article should come. So, all right, I hope this helps. Give me a call if you can't find anything, or email Jenny Taylor, our ILL person. She works at the front desk. She can get you anything from anywhere. But yeah, hopefully this helps you out. Okay, take care.